In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a Jira filter. This process is straightforward but requires a few specific steps to ensure that you complete it correctly and efficiently. We'll walk through each part slowly, providing you with tips and explanations along the way. Whether you're a team administrator or just managing your projects, this guide will help you smoothly transition filter ownership without any hitches. First, let's navigate to the Filters section of Jira. Look to the left panel of your screen and you should see an option labelled Filters. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select View All Filters. This will take you to a page where you can see all the filters available in your Jira workspace. It's a great opportunity to familiarise yourself with the filters you have at your disposal, as these are key to organising tasks according to specific criteria. Now, with all your filters in view, it's time to pick the one whose ownership you need to change. Carefully go through the list and select the filter. Click on it to ensure it's highlighted or open so that you're working on the right one. In this step, accuracy is important as it determines which filter's ownership will be transferred. So take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct filter, especially if you have similarly named filters. Once you've identified and selected the correct filter, direct your gaze to the right hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice a set of options represented by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the ellipsis. This is a handy tool for accessing advanced settings or actions. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, select Change Owner. This will allow you to initiate the process of transferring ownership of the filter. After choosing Change Owner, you'll need to search for the user who will be the new owner. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the colleague or team member whom you wish to transfer the filter to. Jira will suggest users as you type, so select the correct person from the list. It's essential to ensure that this new owner has the appropriate permissions and understanding to manage the filter effectively. Once you've confirmed your choice, click on Change Owner to finalize the transfer. By following these steps, you can conveniently change the owner of a Jira filter, thereby enabling seamless collaboration and task management. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel more confident navigating and configuring Jira filters for your team. Have a great day and see you in the next video.